Every now and then there's a product that comes along that just truly excites me and I really want to share it with you guys. And I used to do this in a lot of my older videos, but I stopped doing it because I don't like giveaway accounts. And yes, I will be giving away the product we're talking about today. But what I'm going to be doing, because I want more engagement rather than random giveaway accounts come snagging stuff from true viewers and fans, right? So what I'm going to do for this giveaway is, again, consolidate through a few videos, one's upcoming in case we have some new members here or whatever, and then I'll pick winners from that for this product. Again, I just want active users and people that engage with the community to win these giveaways rather than random giveaway accounts coming to snag them. That's why I stopped doing them. But I think this new way is going to really let you all benefit from it. And this mouse here, no joke, is so cool. It's more of an experience. This is what I hope the future of gaming mice is. But first, let's give a quick shout out to our sponsor of this video. That being the new Drop CST M80. And let me tell you what, this keyboard is absolutely amazing. From interchangeable top plates here in multiple colors and material types, from aluminum, plastic, and designs. Also interchangeable weights on the bottom, of course interchangeable plates, and yes, this keyboard is 5-pin hot swap with screw-in stabilizers. As you see, I'm going with the Drop Holy Pandas, and yes, you do also have multiple layers of dampening foam, and you can see I'm going with that carbon fiber theme here with that aluminum top plate and carbon fiber weight. To find out more about the Drop CST M80, make sure to take a look at the links right down in the description. And no fluff here, this keyboard is amazing. And I'm not really going to review this mouse. I did the WL Beast X long-term review, so go check that out if you're more interested in the mouse itself. But I want to show you this experience. This is, again, what I want mice to be. Number one, as far as your box here, like, just take a look at it. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know what Fabulous Beast is. I didn't even look it up, but it looks like it has something to do with some animals. Maybe I should look it up. But other than that, again, the experience, just popping this open. Like, look at this. You got this hard case here. What do we got? Some other stuff down in here? Let me shake this out. Okay, so we have need some help, a little bit of paperwork there, some other goodies down underneath the mouse. Oh, we got some other stuff down here too. What is this? Stickers? I'm not too sure what this is here. It looks like stickers. You can see them. They're soft. They got a little cat. Okay, now I want these stickers. Maybe I'll give away the mouse and keep the stickers. I don't know. Anyway, so there is our packaging here. Let's go on and see what all we have in here first. So it comes in this nice little folder. We're going to fold that out. This looks like all of our other paperwork here. So just a little manual here. Throw that to the side. Okay, what the heck do we have here? Holy smokes, are these the grips? I didn't open this. I peeked at the mouse, but I didn't open anything else. So this is my first time with you guys. So it looks like you got two sets of feet here. Little triangles, and then again, your full feet. You got these white grips. Oh, those are pretty nice. I like these because they got like, I don't know, animal print. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. And then you got these WL Beast or WLmouse, I guess with that... what do you call it? Fabulous Beast print there. Super cool. Like, that's awesome. I really like that. Let's go on and set that aside. So far we got that. We got some stickers. And then again, this is going to be our mouse here. And it comes in this awesome hard case. Like, really nice to store your mouse. Popping it open. Oh my goodness. Like, just look at this. Let's look at all our goodies over here first. So we have this over here, which is a little magnet. It's like acrylic or something. You can see. Yo, that's super cool. And I guess per what color you get, your accessories might be different. I don't know. That's my guess here. So we'll set that aside. Over here is our cable, USB-C to A. It is white. Over here, this is, I believe, our 8K dongle, which looks like a paw print. Like, come on, this is so cool. Like, again, it's an experience, right? Over here is, oh, I can't get that out. Your regular dongle. Oh, that's just a little cap on it. But that is just your regular dongle over there. It's so cool. Everything just fits in this case. Really nice. There's a little strap down here to attach the paw in. Anyways, let's get to the mouse here. Now, again, this is the same size of the WL Beast, the regular one I covered before. You just got the cosmetics. Look at the paw prints on the scroll wheel. Like, holy smokes, that's so cool. And then you got the print up here on the buttons. Now this comes in, again, many different colors. As you see, we got the orange one here. Oh, so you got dot feet. That's why we had the two other feet. We had the full foot on the front and the back, and then you had the little triangles to go there. But right now you just have the dots. I'm not a big fan of the dots. I like full feet. You know me, Zowie fan. I feel like you got more control. This, I don't like. I feel too much drag with the dots. So, Oh man, this is gorgeous. So you got that fade going up there. Look at this, you got the little paw print on the back. So again, if you know more about Fabulous Beasts, this will relate a lot more with you. I personally don't. Right down here on the back of the battery, you can see you got it printed down in there as well. So just nerding out here on camera with you guys was my first time opening this. Again, I knew about the mouse, I seen it on there, and I did look at the mouse again, just popping it open there. But again, this whole experience of what you're getting with this package is so cool. This is $160, which we're seeing a lot of mice these days. Like $150 is pretty much that point of where mice are, right? And it's kind of like, geez, okay, I got my mouse, I got my 8K, which is the whole marketing thing these days. But seeing this, number one, it's a fantastic mouse. It's built solid, it performs solid. It's a great product, right? But before that, again, I'm not reviewing this. You can go watch my review on the mouse. The product's fantastic, but everything else you're getting here, I think that justifies that price and really gives you that feeling, at least me, as you're seeing me nerd out on the camera with you guys raw here, seeing this that you're getting for your money, I don't know, this is super cool, and I want to see this more in the mouse space, especially with products getting pretty expensive these days. This is an awesome mouse, and again, an awesome experience. And it's all going to be yours.